لا تجزعي
His name, as the Prophet ﷺ describes him, Dhul Suwayqatayn. It's a name and a description. Dhul Suwayqatayn means the man of the peculiar looking shins. They're thin and they're short. Dhul Suwayqatayn. He will come from Abyssinia, Al-Habasha, Ethiopia, and he will destroy the Kaaba. Not the Medina, the Kaaba itself, the holiest symbol of the Muslims today. He will destroy the Kaaba in order to steal its treasure and clothes covering. What is the clothes covering? Kiswa? What I understand from that is the covering they have on it today. The Kaaba is the ancient building which was built by Ibrahim alayhi salam and whose foundations were laid by Adam. This is the hadith of the Prophet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, until the day that Gog and Magog people are let through their barrier. The tafsir is that it is reported from Ka'b al-Ahbar that Dhul Suwayqatayn will first emerge at the end of Isa alayhi salam's time. While they are marching towards Dhul Suwayqatayn, it is a special army of about 500, 800 special, which Isa alayhi salam will take with him to fight Dhul Suwayqatayn. Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is saying, it is as if I could see him now. And then he describes him. He says, he is bald-headed and has a distortion in his wrists. They are a little bit deformed. He will strike the Kaaba with his spade and pickaxe. Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam also said, leave the Abyssinians alone so long as they do not disturb you, for no one will recover the treasure of the Kaaba except Dhul Suwayqatayn from Abyssinia. The Prophet ﷺ said, it is as if I can see him now. He is black and his legs are widely spaced. He will destroy the Kaaba stone by stone. The Prophet ﷺ said, the hour will not come until a man from Qahtan. Qahtan is the Suwayqatyn. His tribe is called Qahtan, or his family lineage, appears and rules the people. This is in Muslim and similar hadiths in Bukhari. Dhul Suwayqatayn will come and grab the Kaaba, break it brick by brick, and no one will be able to stop him. Not that no one will be able, you think. No one will stop him because there'll be no one to stop him. Either he'll be so powerful, but Allahu A'lam about that, but what the hadiths indicate is that there will be no believers on that time. The Kaaba is destroyed. The symbols of Islam are destroyed. The Quran has been lifted. There is no more Islamic knowledge. What's left? Ad-dunya, the world.